Want to protect your PDF from copying or misuse? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a watermark to any PDF in just seconds, and it's completely free. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the tool, let's talk about why watermarking your PDFs actually matters. If you're sending reports to clients, sharing study material, or publishing digital products online, a watermark isn't just a nice extra, it's essential. Think about how easily a PDF can be screenshotted, forwarded, or reposted without your permission once it leaves your hands. A watermark is your safety net. Here's why it matters. It protects your document from unauthorized use, so anyone who tries to copy or repost your file has your mark sitting right there on it, on every single page. It adds your brand identity because your logo on every page builds instant recognition and makes your work instantly traceable back to you. It lets you label files clearly, confidential, draft, or sample, so there's zero confusion about how a document should be treated or shared further. It makes your documents look more professional and polished, which matters more than you'd think when you're pitching clients or sending out reports. And it prevents people from claiming your content as their own, which is a real problem for freelancers, creators, and small businesses sharing work online. So if you're sharing PDFs online for business, school, or your own creative projects, a watermark genuinely is a must. For this, we're going to use a free online tool called VelaPDF. No login, no sign up, and nothing to install. Just open your browser and you're ready to go.
Step-by-step demo. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Step 1. Open the VelaPDF website and click on Add Watermark from the Tools menu. It's listed right there alongside the other PDF tools, so it only takes a second to find. Step 2. Upload your PDF file. You can drag and drop it straight into the browser window or click to browse from your device, and it works exactly the same whether you're on mobile or desktop. Step 3. Choose your watermark type. You can go with text like confidential or draft, or you can upload an image instead. Your logo works perfectly here if you want a more branded look. Step 4. Now it's time to customize. Type in your watermark text, then adjust the size, opacity, and rotation until it looks just right against your content. You can also set the position anywhere on the page, center, corner, diagonal, wherever fits your document best. This is honestly the part I love most. You get full control over how your watermark looks. No fixed templates, no guessing, just real-time adjustments until it's exactly how you want it. Step 5. Once you're happy with the live preview, click Apply Watermark, and the tool processes your file right there in the browser. Step 6. Download your final watermarked PDF straight to your device. And that's it. Done in under a minute. No waiting around. No software installation needed. Works on mobile and desktop. 100% free and fast. Secure processing.
Take a look at the before and after. Your PDF now carries a clean, professional watermark across every single page, exactly where you wanted it. This is perfect for business documents, client reports, study material, contracts, and digital products you're selling online. Your content stays protected, and at the same time, it looks more polished and credible to anyone who opens it. And the best part? There's no software to install. It works on both mobile and desktop. It's 100% free, and your files are processed securely the entire time. If you found this helpful, try it yourself. The link is in the description below. And if you want more simple, useful PDF tricks like this one, hit subscribe. I post these every single week.